Mailerlite versus Convertkit. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about two of the greatest email marketing softwares out there, okay? So one of these softwares is Mailerlite and the other is Convertkit. And what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be going through both of these marketing tools and platforms where I'm going to be talking about each of their features. I'm going to be comparing them along with each other, and we're going to basically see as we go along which software is better for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, email marketing tools usually come in one of two flavors: small businesses or enterprises. Now, Mailerlite falls in the small business bucket, but ConvertKit, which is specifically built for online creators, is an exception. It narrows focus, allows to ConvertKit to populate its platform with creator-focused features that you can't find anywhere else. And you can actually see all of these features for growing, sending, automating, and even earning, okay? Now, even so, there's enough overlap between Mailerlite and ConvertKit that it can be hard to decide between the two of these. So I've used Mailerlite for years, and I have tested ConvertKit myself personally extensively, and I spent more time in each app to compare them head to head. And here I will break down the pros and cons of each platform to help you decide which one is the best for you. Now, ConvertKit was formerly known as ConvertKit. Now it's just Kit, okay? So basically, let's get a quick rundown of both of these. Now, Mailerlite is best for small businesses on a budget, and it comes with an excellent free plan for anyone just getting started. It's extremely easy to use, but still powerful, and offers compelling design, automation, and analytical features. ConvertKit, on the other hand, is designed for solo creators like authors, bloggers, coaches, course creators, musicians, newsletter creators, podcasters, and even YouTubers. If you're aiming to grow and monetize your audience, you will find an impressive set of tools to help you run along, okay? Now, to explain you more, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create an account with both of these. Now, when it comes to Mailerlite, the account is totally free, okay? No credit card required. You get straight into it, okay? The ConvertKit, on the other hand, you're going to click on Start Free Trial. And first of all, it's going to go ahead and ask the general verifications that are you a robot, etc., etc. So you're simply going to go ahead and confirm all of those things. Then it comes to the email. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding my email and set up a strong password for myself. Now, once we have done that, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Get Started. And once you click on Get Started, it's going to bring you to the onboarding. Now, once you've set all these things up, you're going to come here where it says, welcome. Where are you joining us from? So do you already use an email marketing tool in your business? Obviously, you can go with yes, I'm moving, or no, I'm just starting out, which I'm going to do. Now, once we do that, it says, how big is your audience? So it could be 1 to 1,000, 1,000 to 5,000, etc. So I'm going to go for 1 to 1,000. Then it says, tell us a bit about yourself, where you're going to tell them your business name. And here it gives you your Kit domain name as well. So what kind of creator are you? I'm going to go ahead with, let's go with designer. All right. Now, once you go with designer, you're going to click on continue. And once you click on continue, it's going to say, what do you hope to achieve? Grow your list, send emails, or I just want to look around. I'm going to go with send emails because obviously I'm going to do email marketing as I come here. Now, once we're here, it also asks you your website URL, your socials URL. And once you do all of that, you're going to come straight over here. Now that we have both of these platforms in front of us, let's go ahead and talk about their features. So first of all, ease of use. Now, Mailerlite is easy to use with its design features, templates, and automation workflows, which make email marketing extremely simple for it. ConvertKit, on the other hand, has no drag and drop design, but otherwise intuitive. You have reusable blocks, which make it faster to design your emails. Now, when it comes to segmentation, multiple subscriber lists make organization easy, but it doesn't offer ConvertKit's flexibility or power. ConvertKit, on the other hand, is intuitive with tagging and segmentation features allow hyper-targeted campaigns. So how incredible is that? And obviously you can create those segmentations in sequences or snippets, which is pretty cool. You can find all their features right up here in their navbar. Now, moving on. you come over to the automations. Now, automations, when it comes to Mailerlite, are included for users of the free plan, okay, which is pretty cool. Now, Visual Automation Builder is capable, but it can be overkill for simpler automation needs. Like if we go ahead and create automations, it's going to ask us these templates, etc. But, simple automations can be a little, annoying. They can bug you a little, but it wouldn't be a huge issue. Convertkit, on the other hand, has amazing automations. Okay, automations in Convertkit are quick to set up with user-friendly features like if this then that rules, and the visual automation builder creates powerful workflows as well. Now, once we also go over to the audience growth and monetization. Now, when it comes to your Mailerlite, okay, Mailerlite personally has no built-in newsletter growth tools and weak monetization capabilities. So that's one downside to using Mailerlite. And obviously, ConvertKit, on the other hand, has a built-in recommendation engine for growth, easy to sell digital products, and you can get sponsorship, okay? And you can pretty much do all of that through Earn over here, which is pretty cool, right? Now, when it comes to the analytical section on this is pretty incredible, okay? I would definitely rate this in the high ups because they give you a proper performance overview down here with great analytics, okay? Only the essentials are given, but an excellent user interface embeds analytics where you most need them, okay? Then we move on to ConvertKit, where decent enough, work ethic is seen for most users, though not particularly in-depth optional deliverability reporting add-on. If we move over to the pricings. Now, the pricings personally for both of these I'd say are equally good, but Mailerlite is a full featured forever free plan, okay? Affordable paid plans are accessible for small businesses as well. Now, ConvertKit, on the other hand, is excellent free plan with ConvertKit's paid plans, while good value are around 2 times pricier than Mailerlite, okay? And you can also move over to integrations where you get 140 plus native integrations with Mailerlite, okay? And 120 plus native integrations, which also integrate with Zapier on your ConvertKit. If I were to give proper verdicts on this, I'd say Mailerlite is incredibly easy to use, where the minimalist approach works wonders from a user's experience perspective. Navigating Mailerlite is extremely easy, where all the features are, as you want them to be, as you're crafting them to be. Now, ConvertKit, on the other hand, is definitely not as easy to use, but ConvertKit's segmentation features makes it easier to organize your audience, all right? So you're going to add your subscribers, and once you add your subscribers, you can replace a traditional email contact list with tags. Organize your subscribers using tags is more flexible and makes it easier and quicker to spin up new custom segments based on the needs of each email campaign. Now, you can also set up rules to automatically assign tags for yourself, such as when a subscriber opens a particular email, this opens the door to hyper-targeted campaigns sent to people who've interacted with you or your content in a specific way. Generally, I'd say that if you are a small business owner, definitely go with Mailerlite. But if you have any type of constant traffic, or you're a social media influencer or a digital creator, I would definitely suggest ConvertKit for you. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.